In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use AI workflows in Monday.com to automate tasks, generate smart updates, and save hours of manual work every single week. If you're using Monday.com to manage projects, tasks, or teams, AI workflows can completely transform how efficiently you operate. So make sure you watch this all the way through so you don't miss any important setup steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity guides. All right, let's dive in. The first step is accessing AI workflows inside Monday.com. Go ahead and log into your Monday.com account and open your dashboard. On the left-hand menu, look for the section labeled Monday AI. Under that section, click on Workflow. This is where all AI-powered automations live. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your plan includes AI features and that they're enabled for your workspace. Once you're inside the AI workflows area, the next step is choosing a workflow template. Monday.com provides several pre-built AI workflow templates that make setup much faster. Browse through the available options. You'll typically see templates like Summarize all tasks in a group, which automatically creates a smart summary of everything happening in a specific group. You may also see Generate item updates based on status, which creates written updates whenever a status changes. Another powerful option is Prioritize tasks automatically, where AI evaluates your items and suggests which one should come first. Take a moment to review the templates and think about your goal. Are you trying to improve communication, save time writing updates, automatically analyze workloads? Once you find a template that matches your needs, click on it to begin setup. Now comes the most important part, configuring the workflow. Every AI workflow in Monday.com works based on a trigger and an action. First, you'll define the trigger. The trigger tells Monday.com when the AI should activate. Common triggers include when a status changes, when a new item is created, or when a specific date arrives. For example, you might want AI to generate a summary whenever a task is marked as complete, or you might want AI to suggest next steps when a new task is added. After selecting your trigger, you'll define the action. This is what the AI will actually do. Depending on the template, actions may include writing updates, generating summaries, analyzing content, or suggesting next steps. Choose the action that aligns with your workflow goal. Next, you'll need to map the relevant columns or items. This step tells the AI which data it should use. For example, if you're generating summaries, you may need to select the status column, timeline column, or description field. If you're prioritizing tasks, you might map priority, due date, and workload columns. Be precise here because the quality of AI output depends heavily on the data you provide. Once everything is configured, save your workflow. Now it's time to test it. This step is crucial before rolling it out to your entire team. Create a test item or update an existing item so that it triggers the workflow. For example, change a status, create a new task, or adjust a date, whatever trigger you selected earlier. Then watch what happens. Review the AI-generated output carefully. If it's writing updates, check whether the tone and content make sense. If it's generating summaries, see if the summary accurately reflects the tasks. If it's suggesting next steps, evaluate whether the recommendations are practical. If something looks off, go back into the workflow settings and adjust the column mapping or trigger conditions. Once you're satisfied with the results, your AI workflow is officially live and ready to support your team automatically. From this point forward, Monday.com will handle those repetitive actions for you, freeing you up to focus on higher value work. And that's how you use AI workflows in Monday.com. Set the trigger, choose the AI action, map your data, test it, and let automation do the heavy lifting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Monday.com guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.